Yo, it's Chriso from the Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia. What I'm doing here, I'm on the same job and I'm doing this front porch. It's all in a black non-slip tile, so you step out of the rain if it's raining, because we have bloody had some rain in Queensland, I tell you, and then you go onto your shiny tile. So what I'm doing now, I've just about finished it. I laid the fullies the other day and I'm coming to the end of this job, so I'm just doing the final cuts now, and then I grout the bathroom, which I'll be showing you. And cool, we'll be moving on to the next. So what I'm doing here to this edge tile is you always put glue. I've showed everyone before, but you always put glue like that. When you're doing stairs, it's very important. It holds your very edge of the step, so you must put glue there, and then your home and hose. So with this, I've got to cut off a little bit for that tile there, so we'll just cut off it. I'm getting a little bit of a mess, but I've just about finished what I'm doing. So we'll cut that off there. Just try it before I fit it. Oh yeah, mate. Oh, bloody beautiful! Oh, dropped a bit of glue. Cool. There's my rubber hammer. I'm going to be putting a couple of skinny bits on here. Now I need to hold that while it dries. Good old tape. I use tape a lot. I actually need to get my small wedges. Look what the dogs have been, when I go, they let the dogs out, run around the yard. They've been chewing all my clips that I've left outside. Right, that's just to hold that nice until I'm able to glue it. Right, let's see if I'll run along with this tile, see if they all fit. So I need to cut it a little bit smaller. Oh yeah, okay, way smaller. The concrete's running uphill for the slope, so I'll have to just mark them individually. No biggie. Nice. Peel it up with a bit of glue. This piece has still got the plastic on it. Right, so we'll just mark them individually, which is cool. I don't know how the camera went then, because my head was sort of going upside down. Be interesting to see what it looked like. Right, is it going to fit nicely? It will go on better if I trim a bit off it. Let's try that, gringo. I don't have to worry too much about the top with glue because I've got heaps here that I've got heaps of glue which will take up all that spare tile. Just like that. Alright, mark it, and I'll mark it Crusoe, and we'll bang it in. That's cool.